Welcome to Audobon Ridge in the coveted Klahanie neighborhood. Have you been waiting for the perfect home to come on the market? Well, I've got good news. It has, and I'm really excited to share it with you right now. Let's go have a look around. Prepare to fall in love with this classic Burnstead built home. Lovingly maintained and tastefully updated, this home is the definition of turnkey. The main floor features a home office, living and family rooms with soaring vaulted ceilings, see-through fireplace, and a gorgeously remodeled kitchen. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms on one side, but then a generous primary suite on the other, complete with a relaxing spa-like bathroom retreat. Beautifully manicured landscaping, both front and back. Pride of ownership is apparent everywhere, inside and outside this home. It's perfect, right? Well, I hate to say I told you so. Let's talk about Klahanie for a moment. If you are unfamiliar or new to the area, Klahanie is a wonderful community spread across 900 acres. It's got all the amenities that you would want, and with close proximity to Sammamish and Issaquah, award-winning schools, this is a wonderful community to be in. Call my team today for a private tour. Cheers.